Ladies and gentlemen, truck enthusiasts, and lovers of classic American muscle, the legend is back. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of one of the most iconic names in pickup truck history, the 2026 Chevrolet C10. The C10 is not just a truck, it's a symbol of American craftsmanship, culture, and power. From its roots in the 1960s and 1970s, when it became a favorite among builders, farmers, and hot rod enthusiasts alike, the C10 name has always stood for reliability, style, and soul. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has done what many thought impossible. It has revived the C10 legacy for the modern era, blending retro design with futuristic engineering and technology. Let's start under the hood, where the true heartbeat of any pickup lies. The 2026 Chevrolet C10 offers two major powertrain options, each designed to cater to a different kind of driver. The first is a 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8, producing a muscular 420 horsepower and 450 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain captures that old-school C10 energy, a big rumbling V8 with a deep exhaust note that makes your heart race every time you press the throttle. The second, more futuristic option is Chevrolet's 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six, offering 305 horsepower and a massive 495 pounds-to-feet of torque, tuned for those who value towing, efficiency, and long-haul reliability. For the first time, Chevy also introduces a C10 Hybrid e-boost system, a mild hybrid assist that improves throttle response and provides additional torque during heavy towing or acceleration bursts. It's a clever bridge between the raw muscle of the past and the green energy future. The C10 sits on GM's updated full-frame Global B platform, which is lighter, stronger, and more rigid than ever. The truck's frame is made from high-strength steel and aluminum composites, reducing weight by nearly 400 pounds while increasing durability. It's equipped with independent front suspension and a multi-link rear setup, creating a more refined ride without compromising its traditional ruggedness. Towing capacity is rated at an impressive 12,500 pounds, and payload capacity reaches 2,100 pounds, making it both a performance machine and a capable workhorse. The Advanced Drive Select system offers 6 terrain modes: A normal, sport, tow, haul, off-road, mud, snow, and custom, allowing drivers to tailor the truck's behavior to their needs. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Chevrolet C10's design makes one thing clear: it's a tribute to the past, but built for tomorrow. Chevy's designers have done a phenomenal job merging 1970s nostalgia with a bold 2026 design language. The front end is a modern reinterpretation of the C10's signature look, featuring a large, squared-off grille with horizontal chrome bars, flanked by dual LED headlamps that mimic the round halogen lights of the original. The iconic Chevrolet boat emblem sits proudly in the center, glowing softly at night with ambient backlighting. The hood features muscular lines and a subtle power dome that nods to the truck's V8 heritage, while the front bumper integrates functional air vents and LED fog lamps within chrome-trimmed housings. The sides are clean and timeless, wide shoulders, sculpted fenders, and that unmistakable beltline that runs straight from front to rear, reminiscent of the 1967-72 C10 generation. The truck rides on 20-inch polished alloy wheels as standard, with available 22-inch retro-style deep dish rims for those who want the showstopper look. Inside the 2026 Chevrolet C10, nostalgia meets next-gen comfort in an absolutely stunning way. The cabin feels like a perfect blend of 1970s craftsmanship and 2020s technology. The dashboard design draws direct inspiration from the original C10, horizontal lines, metallic trim, and round analog-inspired digital gauges, but everything has been upgraded for the modern era. Front and center sits a massive 13.4-inch LED infotainment display, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver's cluster that can switch between modern layouts and a retro mode that mimics classic analog gauges, complete with a vintage needle sweep animation. The interior materials are top-notch: soft leather, brushed aluminum accents, and contrast stitching in color themes that match exterior trims. The steering wheel carries the classic 3-spoke design but adds paddle shifters and haptic feedback controls. The seats are crafted with premium leather, featuring diamond-stitched inserts, contrast piping, and heated, ventilated functionality. Chevy even added a C10 heritage script embroidered into the seatbacks as a signature touch. Ambient lighting runs along the dash and doors, customizable in 26 colors. There's also a retro heritage package that adds wood grain trim on the dashboard and door panels, reminiscent of the original C10 interiors. The center console features a wireless charger, dual USB-C ports, and enough storage for laptops and tablets. Tech-wise, you get Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and OnStar 360 Assist. A 15-speaker Bose performance audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Comfort is where the 2026 Chevrolet C10 truly surprises. This isn't just a truck for show, it's a truck you can live in, drive cross-country, and enjoy every mile. Chevy's engineers have spent years perfecting the ride quality, blending air suspension comfort with rugged frame stability. The adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions, giving you a buttery smooth experience over potholes, gravel, or highway asphalt. The front seats offer 12-way power adjustment with memory and lumbar support, while the rear bench features reclining backrests and heated options, something rarely seen in a classic-inspired pickup. The cabin's insulation is excellent. Noise, vibration, and harshness levels are at their lowest in any GM truck, thanks to enhanced acoustic glass and active noise cancellation technology. Climate control is dual zone with automatic humidity regulation, ensuring consistent comfort for both driver and passengers. The seat's bolstering keeps you secure without feeling restrictive, perfect for long drives or off-road trails. For adventure lovers, the C10 also features massaging seats, wireless rear charging pads, and multiple drive comfort profiles that adjust suspension softness, steering feedback, and throttle response. The driving position gives a commanding view of the road, and every control falls naturally to hand. Even the small details shine: soft closing doors, heated steering wheel, LED interior lights, and ventilated glove compartments. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a city cruise, the 2026 C10 feels like the most refined version of a working man's truck ever built. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 doesn't just live up to its legacy, it reinvents it. The V8 engine option delivers thrilling acceleration, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, while still maintaining that unmistakable American growl through its dual stainless steel exhaust system. The sound is classic A, deep, raw, and addictive. The truck's chassis tuning provides incredible stability and control, even when pushing through corners or towing at capacity. Chevy's magnetic ride control suspension continuously monitors the road 1,000 times per second, providing lightning-fast damping adjustments for maximum comfort and performance balance. Off-road capability hasn't been ignored either. Optional 4x4 systems include low-range gearing, locking differentials, and hill descent control, ensuring that the C10 remains capable no matter the terrain. Braking performance has been improved with larger ventilated rotors and 6-piston Brembo calipers for shorter stopping distances. The steering feel is precise yet natural, a big step forward from older GM trucks. Combined with lighter-weight aluminum body panels, the C10 feels surprisingly nimble for its size. The transmission's quick shifts and intelligent torque management keep the truck smooth under both heavy loads and spirited acceleration. Chevy's engineers claim that the C10 delivers 22 miles per gallon combined, making it more efficient than any full-size V8 predecessor. The hybrid assist provides instant torque fill, reducing lag and improving drivability in city environments. Whether you're towing a boat, hitting the highway, or simply cruising to a car meet, the 2026 C10 delivers classic soul with modern-day performance refinement. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck isn't just a new Model A, it's a resurrection. It's Chevrolet's love letter to its golden era of design, reimagined for a world that demands technology, comfort, and performance. This truck stands as the perfect fusion of retro styling and futuristic engineering, a bridge between generations of enthusiasts. It captures everything people loved about the original C10: the simplicity, the boldness, the sound, and pairs it with innovation that makes it practical and desirable in today's competitive market. From its powerhouse V8 to its luxury-grade interior, from its nostalgic wood-lined bed to its digital displays, the C10 is both an heirloom and a masterpiece. Chevrolet has done something incredible here. They've given modern truck lovers a machine that feels emotional, visceral, and deeply personal. The C10 isn't just a pickup, it's a piece of history reborn, a reminder of where trucks came from and where they're going. So whether you're a fan of classic Americana, a performance enthusiast, or someone who just loves timeless design, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is a dream realized. It's not just back, it's better than ever, and it's ready to take its rightful place among the greats once again. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, Subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews of the latest trucks and SUVs. Your support keeps us bringing you the most advanced automotive content, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.